Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to create a Telegram channel. You can easily create channels for broadcasting to unlimited audiences on Telegram. There are different ways you can create a channel on Telegram. We're going to learn how to create a Telegram channel in an easy way in today's tutorial. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create a Telegram channel, first open up your Telegram application. Make sure you're logged into your Telegram account. From the home page of Telegram, tap on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From this page at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a button that says New Channel. Tap that button and tap on Create Channel on the next page. On the new page, enter the channel's name and then add a picture for your channel by tapping on the camera button. Select a picture from your camera roll and press the tick mark at the bottom right. Wait for a few seconds. Once your picture gets uploaded, go ahead and describe your channel by typing on the description text box. Describe your channel as you want it to appear. Once you're done filling in all of the information, tap on the tick mark at the upper right hand corner. Now, choose from public channel or private channel under channel type. If you choose public channel, then your channel can be found in search. Anyone can join in to your channel, but if you choose to make it a private one, your channel can only be joined via an invite link. If you'd like to invite a certain person since you've created a private channel, you can simply copy the invite link right here as you can see it on the display by tapping on this copy button and send the link to the person that you'd like to invite to your channel. If you choose to create a public channel, simply tap on the public channel and then right where it says public link, simply type in the link that you'd like to use for your public channel link. You can use letters and numbers and underscores while creating a public link. Once you type in your public link, you can easily share this link publicly. After you're done, tap on the tick mark at the upper right hand corner. Add subscribers to your videos that you'd like to add from your contact list. Select as many contacts as you want by simply tapping on their name and tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. And there you have successfully created your very own Telegram channel with a few simple steps. Now that is how you can easily create a channel on Telegram. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.